Good morning everyone, one and all present over here. We are the student of class 9. We are here to express the view of inequality and how to reduce it. Inequality is a situation in which people are not equal on the basis of economic condition and opportunities available to them. Discrimination is the process of distinguishing one person from another on the basis of caste, religion, color, language, economic condition is called discrimination. Now Harshita will come and explain gender inequality and how to reduce it. Harshita, please come.
Gender inequality. Gender inequality means discrimination on the basis of gender. Causing one sex or gender is routinely privileged over one another. There are many ways by which we can reduce gender inequality. First, give girls access to education. Second, give women platform to have and power and achieve economic success. Third, end violence and sexual assaults against women. Fourth, assure girls and women have access to menstrual health facilities. Fifth, end child marriage. Reduce gender inequality, gender inequality, gender inequality.
Now Satakshi will come and explain political inequality and how to reduce it.
Political inequality refers to the unequal influence over decisions made by political bodies and the unequal outcomes of those decisions. We can reduce political inequality by fiscal and social protection system. Government must explore tax reforms in income and corporations in order to expand spending on education, healthcare, and support disadvantaged groups. Any tax reform, however, should be designed in a significant to be a creation. Reduce political inequality, political inequality, political inequality.
Now Sanskriti will come and explain economical inequality and how to reduce it. Sanskriti, please come. Economical inequality. Economical inequality is the unequal distribution of income and opportunity between different groups in a society. There are three main types of economical inequality. First, income inequality. Income inequality is the unequal distribution of income between different peoples in a group. Second, pay inequality. Pay inequality describes the difference between people's pay, for example, men and women. Third, wealth inequality. Wealth inequality is the unequal distribution of assets in a group of people. How to reduce economical inequality? We can reduce economical inequality by decreasing the incomes of the richest and by increasing the incomes of the poorest. Reduce economical inequality. Economical inequality. Economical inequality. Now Aditya will explain inequalities of opportunity and how to reduce it. Aditya, please come.
Inequality of opportunity is when certain people get more opportunity in society because of their background, caste, races, or gender. To reduce inequality of opportunity, we can start by eliminating discriminatory laws, practices, and by promoting favorable conditions for everyone. Reduce inequality of opportunity. Inequality of opportunity. Inequality of opportunity.
Now Aniket will explain inequalities of access and how to reduce it. Aniket, please come.
Inequality of access means to legal representation and information incapable inhibits the fairness and proper function of the process. How to reduce inequality of access? The effect on inequality of access to healthcare and the resulting population health outcomes remain to be explored more fully. The rich stands to adopt effectively new technologies more rapidly than the poor, which impact on inequality of access and outcome. Reduce inequality of access, inequality of access, inequality of access.